Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable accessories connection on the lock screen of the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In the Settings page, scroll down and then tap on Face ID and Passcode. Next, in here, you need to enter your screen passcode. Once you put in the correct passcode, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on Accessories. Tap on the toggle button to enable or disable accessories connection. Now it said that turn off to prevent accessory from connecting when your iPhone has been locked for more than an hour. Or if you switch it off, it says unlock iPhone to allow accessories to connect when it has been more than an hour since your iPhone was locked. So switch on this button on or off as desire. After that, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.